Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today we are going to see a very different snack and it's very easy to make and we are going to make that along with my husband. I am going to do that. In no time we can make that. Shall we start?
Sure.
Yeah. For that we need brown sugar. It's your wish. If you want white sugar you can add. I am using brown sugar, or you can have palm sugar, that will be better, and soaked sabudana and soaked sagu. This sagu I have soaked it for about 6 hours so that it will become very soft, and it depends on the product, that is the quality. It needs more time, and 1 cup of desiccated coconut.
So all these three equal quantity.
Yeah. And bread. It depends. You can't change. If you like coconut more, you can add more coconut. And bread, about 4 slices. So everything goes to the blender. So add this.
In goes sabudana.
Yeah.
Sagu.
Without water, we need to blend everything.
So next desiccated coconuts.
Okay, I'm adding bread. Better if it is brown bread. Yeah, but we are having only this normal bread. But brown breads are good.
So on top of all that, I put the brown sugar.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
without
Water, we need to blend it. Okay.
dry blend.
Yeah. So it should be like this. Without water, it is ready. Now we have to make balls out of this.
The consistency is right.
Yeah, pakka. So make balls. Okay.
I'll try.
Yeah. I'm going to steam it and also I'm going to fry it. 2 ways you are going to see this snack. For frying, I am going to make it small, and for steaming, little bigger. So now this part we are going to fry this with ghee, and then this one I'm going to steam it. Okay, for steaming,
Let me put.
no need to. Okay, add water. Now just I have greased it, so, and add 1 spoon of ghee.
1 spoon.
Yeah.
First I will switch this on.
Yeah.
Full flame.
Yeah.
The flame is right now. Next you want me to switch this on.
Yeah. So it started. It is frying. So just turn this very smoothly. Okay.
Turning it.
Once you feel like it is roasted, the color has changed, you can take it out. See, it has become brown.
Coconut.
Can you make this alone without my help?
I think so. With the ingredients, I can try.
Don't break it. Just keep it. That's it.
Now it is ready.
Now we will see this. 10 minutes over.
You want a fork? Sure.
Give me a plate. Yeah, this plate.
You want one more spoon?
No need. Just I am showing how it is. See how it is cooked. When you touch in the finger, it should not be, what to say, that stickiness should not be there. It should be like this. So now it is ready. You can taste it.
I can taste it.
Yeah. 2 kind of snacks in no time. We made it without effort. Even he can make this without my help. That much easier it is. Please try this and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Can you taste this?
Yeah, taste it. Myself, no.
Oh.